trying to make the world's shittiest night vision. So got this is a drone camera. It has a little cap on it, but it supposedly has very good night vision capabilities, but you probably need an infrared light for this as well. Got myself a little ocular, something to look at. I got myself some batteries, and I got myself a little charger, and I should have an on-off switch here someplace. Oh, I have more. Did I put it in here? Yeah, here it is. Super nice on-off switch. It's not stupid if it works. I actually don't have anything to put all this in. Might need to, if it actually works in any way, shape or form, I might have to 3D print something. My soldering skills, yeah, they're kind of shit. So we'll see how this goes. Yeah, so the viewfinder actually works. Yeah, it's not going to be visible through, but you can see I got a picture, and it actually works with the camera. I managed to connect this wrong, so it's on when it's off. Never mind that. And I got the most horrible welds in the history of welds. No, not welds, I mean soldering. The worst soldering ever, but it's not stupid if it works. This cable is for sound, not using sound. And yeah, but it works. So positive goes to all the positives here for the viewfinder and the camera, and then back to the little 5-volt thingy. So this is 3.7 volts. I connected 400 milliamp batteries to this, so it's 1200 milliamps. Not sure what battery life of that would be. And that's connected to here with some really spotty soldering. Thought I broke it when I did that. And the blue wire goes to the battery positive, which can give me battery life indicator in the camera, which I will see in the viewfinder. And what else do we have here except the power button? We have a tiny power button on the little circuit board. I put this on as well because I might make some kind of shell for this sometime. What else did I do? Yeah, negatives. There's a bunch of negatives going all around the place as well. Anyway, it works. I don't have a DVR. I can connect like a little recorder device to this as well, but I don't really know what to get. So if you have a suggestion, put it in the description. I'll see if I can manage to film something and try it out. Yeah, it actually does work though, but it looks like shit for now. Okay, so I have pretty dark inside my room here. The camera is pointing, and yeah, whatever. Let's see if I can actually zoom in a little bit. Yeah. So picture is upside down because I'm holding the viewfinder upside down, or the camera upside down, or something is upside down. There we go. So it's pretty light. It actually works. I am surprised.